It's an important tool in preventing the spread of COVID-19. The City Housing Department is testing wastewater for the virus, and after it was found in the water at Latrobe Homes last week, we wanted to see how the whole process works. WJC's Live, new at 11, Kelsey Kushner shows what goes into keeping people from getting sick. Kelsey.
Vic, well, city officials say that they have been testing over a dozen sites twice a week for the coronavirus. They say this is the best way for them to keep residents and their visitors safe. The early warning signs of COVID-19 lie below the surface. The State Department of the Environment is working closely with the City Housing Authority, testing the wastewater of more than 14 locations in Baltimore.
This is a very successful process that they have implemented.
Janet Abrahams with the Housing Authority says crews are pulling samples twice a week from each site. The sample device is placed underground for 24 hours, then transported to a lab for testing. Abraham says if COVID-19 is detected, they can bring in on-site testing for residents. But she wants to remind people it's only wastewater being sampled.
There's nothing wrong with the water at all. This is about waste in a sewage system. So everything else is safe.
Their testing proved to be successful. Earlier this month, officials say samples from Latrobe Homes detected elevated COVID levels in their wastewater, meaning one or more residents or visitors who recently used the restroom has contracted COVID-19.
Today I got a COVID test done.
Officials say this is all about finding early warning signs and getting a jump start to keeping residents safe.
We can't keep it virus-free, but we can definitely make sure that when we see the spike, we're testing and making sure that families practice the social distancing.
Now, officials say they plan to keep testing for at least 3 more months. Now, they're targeting certain areas like correctional facilities and areas with a vulnerable population. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJC.